Intelligent CX, smart delivery of content, personalization. What does that really mean? I think it means anticipating what customers need and giving it to them before they even know what it is that they want. People are used to algorithms driving experiences. It's a baseline expectation. Artificial intelligence will drive those experiences forward even further as our ability to crunch large volumes of data and use that insight to drive personalization. Tools like Keo that we're starting to see built into products like CoreMedia will accelerate that experience even further, as will AI agents as we start to integrate those into the experience. It's expected. It's not a nice to have, it's a baseline expectation for customers these days. I think the biggest shift in customer expectations probably comes from social media use on mobile, algorithms driving personalized content experiences. It's a baseline expectation. The biggest challenge, I think, in delivering those types of experiences for organizations is really the volume of content and keeping up with the needs of a fully personalized experience. The solution to that potentially comes when you start to plug AI assistants into the workflow to help support the generation, the planning and the delivery of content. And we're already seeing those leaps forward integrated into products like CoreMedia with the new Keo tools. So I think that's going to be a really interesting development. Good CX is about solving real life problems. It's a physical, living, breathing manifestation of the brand. You can say what you want in the value statement, the brand proposition, but the online experience transmits that into reality. And for Yugo, their student spaces sit above and beyond the usual expectation. They're sustainable, they're focused on community, they're safe spaces where students can thrive and grow. The online experience is a manifestation of that. So it's about seamless discovery and exploration and booking of rooms, of product, but it's also about connecting community and delivering real voices of students to look behind the curtain and unmask what the reality of the experience is beyond the marketing, which is excellent, by the way. So, you know, the experience online really does transmit what the actual brand value and value of the product is in real life. Yugo's strategy is about growth through acquisition. They're acquiring brands across Europe, Asia, and in the US and growing quickly. So the technical challenge is about creating an infrastructure to support that growth, laying the foundations so that new brands can quickly, easily, and cost effectively be brought in under the Yugo umbrella, but also to create standalone experiences for sub-brands as they grow and expand across the world. CoreMedia is a great solution for Yugo because of the flexibility and scalability that we can get from the product. So out of the box, you've got a really powerful content engine to support the multi-brand, multi-market needs that they already have as part of their business as usual, but with the flexibility to grow and integrate a lot of really nice off-the-shelf APIs so that we can plug in CRM systems, booking systems, product data as and when we acquire new brands and move to grow globally. It's the best of both worlds in that regard. Onboarding 2 new brands and setting up 3 new markets in a single 3-week development sprint is probably a record even for our development teams. I think that's testament to their skill, but also to the value and ease of use using the CoreMedia product. So the proof of the pudding is always in the eating, right? And for Yugo, that means converting room sales, focused on optimizing the booking journey, using data to drive personalization, integrating features like urgency messaging, where we use real-time data to show urgency around a particular property or room and drive messages that that encourage people to convert the sale. Those types of approaches have seen a 90% conversion rate on average across markets globally, and in some instances higher than that. So a data-driven, personalized approach to the booking experience is really starting to see big results for Yugo. CoreMedia in a single phrase for me would be technology with a human touch. I love that phrase because I think it embodies the ethos of what technology is supposed to do, and that's to address real life problems and solve issues and explore opportunities for humans and for business. And I think CoreMedia does that really, really well. So it's a really exciting time in technology with the advent of AI. It's quite daunting for many clients. We're working with our clients and with CoreMedia to lay the foundations for AI enablement using CoreMedia Content Cloud, Engagement Cloud, so that we can look to security, governance, data, business logic, content control through the DXP, integrations on a middleware layer with AI tools, utilizing AI enablement from the CoreMedia product itself, but also automating and augmenting existing workflows with external tools. The holistic picture with the foundations provided by the enterprise-wide DXP, and then moving forward at an enterprise AI level to integrate and plug in to that business logic with new AI tools. It puts our clients in the driving seat for 2025 and into 2026, when I think we'll really start to see the rewards from the work that we're doing now in that area.